Islands of plastic trash in the ocean?
Swimming in plastic soup?
Eating contaminated fish? Hi, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Abby.
And we're going to talk about plastics in the ocean and how it affects people.
That's right. It doesn't just affect fish.
And turtles.
And birds.
Dad, those pictures are gross. So, there's a lot of trash in the ocean, and not just on the beaches. The ocean is constantly moving because of things like gravity and Earth's rotation.
And underwater volcanoes.
And all kinds of other things. A lot of the Earth's trash that goes into the ocean just floats along and swirls into these giant garbage patches.
These things are crazy.
But that's great, right? All the trash goes in one place, far away from land and people.
Nope. Wrong.
That plastic breaks down, and all the chemicals and little bits of plastic sink and spread out to the ocean for thousands of miles.
National Geographic calls it plastic soup.
There are things in the plastic that are very dangerous for our health. Things like lead, cadmium, and mercury. There's a chemical called BPA. It affects your hormones. There are also chemicals called phthalates.
The pH is silent, you know.
They can cause cancer and birth defects. This stuff isn't natural.
And it can be very bad.
Fish eat these chemicals. People eat fish.
So that plastic ends up back in our bodies. Where does all this plastic come from?
Well, almost all of it washes out from beaches and rivers. But the most important thing is that all of it is from people.
What can we do about it?
Well, for one thing, we can cut down on how much plastic we use. If you use disposable plates and cups, use paper instead of plastic. Ask for paper bags at grocery stores. Use paper Q-tips. Carry a water bottle and refill it instead of using tons of plastic water bottles. If you can't cut down on the plastic, then recycle. Put it in the blue bag. Keep a separate bag in your car for plastic bottles so that you can put them in recycle bin instead of the trash.
Or instead of the ground.
When you see plastic bottles or bags on the ground, pick them up and throw them away.
Or even better, recycle them.
Another thing you can do if you want is check out the links in the description of this video. We made this video to be part of a trending topic on YouTube with some creators named Mark Robber,
mrbeast.
They're supporting some really cool ocean and river cleanup programs. These programs are literally going to the garbage patches in the ocean and recycling those plastics. They're also going to rivers around the world where most of the trash is dumped, and they're catching and recycling trash that floats down the river. Look at this. This is really cool. Anyways, the links in this description will tell you everything you need to know.
More than you want to know.
If you want to donate, all of the money goes to these two companies, the Ocean Cleanup and the Ocean Conservancy.
Not to us.
Yeah, we don't get anything.
But it makes us feel good when you subscribe.
Or make comments. The ocean is huge and most of it is clean. But never underestimate how destructive humans like us can be.
And remember, it can make us sick.
Let's be good stewards of our planet.
Abby and Sophia